What up guys, I hope you're doing well. So today is a Monday. Let me check the date. It's Monday, May 4, and I opened the trade yesterday on Euro USD, and I woke up this morning and lost the trade. And I'm gonna show you guys the trade. I already showed you guys in the previous video all the analysis that I've done for this week, and I was really tempted to open another trade on the same pair, but I didn't open because it would feel like revenge trading. So I have another pair which is JPP NZD. There's a clean break and retest of a really good area of interest with the EMA rejection. So I'm just gonna be waiting for price action to give me confirmation. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the trades right now. We are at Euro USD. So we had a area of interest here. We broke over the area, retested, and then came back for another retest. All right, with the EMA rejecting the price. We have a big bullish engulfing that went back into a little retracement, then another bullish engulfing. So this was my entry around here. I opened the trade and I woke up losing the trade. Now, I don't know what the mistake was. I think maybe this trade wasn't clean enough because it was retested multiple times. I should have maybe opened the trade here. Here was a better trade because it was retested one time and went to the other area of interest. So I was tempted to open a sell here because everything went bearish after I lost the trade. So maybe my confluences weren't very accurate. So I'm just gonna leave Euro USD now. I was tempted to open a trade here, but I'm not gonna open it. And I'm looking forward into JPP NZD. Now we have a big bullish candle, but that's okay. Maybe it will reject, turn into a pin bar. I'm gonna wait for confirmation, and then we're gonna see throughout the day if it gives me the signs, and maybe we'll open the trade. And I also forgot to mention the USD CAD. We have also a great trade, but not the best. It's not an A+ setup because we can see here there is a clear break and retest with the EMA rejection, but the EMA is sitting under the price, which is not the best of the best confluences. Plus that the 4 hour is good, all right, but the EMA isn't touching the price. It's very far from the price. Now, we are on the 4 hour candle. It's going to close in 27 minutes. So I'm going to see if this gives me a bearish engulfing. I'm going to check twice before I open the trade, but I don't think I'm really going to open the trade because the EMA is kind of far from the price action. And on the daily, we're coming to a retest, but I'm not really sure if I want to open the trade. This is not the best of the best trades, so I'm gonna be waiting for JPP NZD. So what's up guys, today is Thursday and I didn't record the last 2 days because yesterday I worked from 10 in the morning till 10 at night. I worked a 12-hour shift. I got the opportunity. They told me you can come early, we have a lot of work, so I thought I would work more hours to eventually get paid more. And the day before that, my cousin came to Canada and I was with him and everything. We were hanging out, so I didn't record the last 2 days. But what happened is that I lost the trade on Euro. I opened the trade on Euro USD and I lost them. So I lost 2 trades on the same pair. And I would say this is kind of revenge trading, but not at the same time because I saw the market switch trend and I followed the trend, but I look at the higher time frame, it wasn't really switching. It was a weird trade. I don't know what happened with me, but I think I went into this trade with the mindset of I want to make my money back, which is bad. But I really thought I was gonna win this trade. It was a good trade, but Euro USD, what I realized about this pair is that it's a really slow moving pair. Like all the 1 hour candles are dojis. I didn't realize that at first because I was in the 4 hour time frame and the candles were like bigger, but on the 1 hour time frame the candles are really small. They are all doji candle, and this pair was so slow. And what I learned from this trade is that I'm not gonna be trading Euro USD from now on, at least from at least I'm gonna wait a few months until maybe I'm better at trading to really understand Euro USD, because this pair is slow and sometimes, I mean, it's really steady. It's a good pair, but it's slow and I feel like it's a little inconsistent. Yeah, but it's too slow to trade on, especially if that I'm not a scalper, I'm a day trader, which my trades took hours to even a day or two. So I'm gonna stop trading Euro USD and I'm gonna show you guys the trade right now. Alright guys, so this is the trade. You guys can see I lost the trade on here. I was trying to buy, everything was bullish. The 4 hour we can see we were bullish and open the trade, go to sleep. Next day I lose the trade. It went just straight to my stop loss, and then when I see that this support was broken and then retested with 2 bearish candles, that I saw the momentum, so I opened the trade. All right, and for some reason price went a little down and then went back up. Now I'm looking here, I can see like maybe price is going a little sideways and then it went down, went into profit, but overall price is going sideways, not really on an uptrend or downtrend. So I was confused when I opened the trade. You guys can see here it went down, up, and then went to my stop loss. Now you guys can see this here, all right, this area here is like what, 5 hours of moving sideways. It's a really slow pair. Like here there's a lot of momentum, then slows down, and look, here is 3 hours. These 3 candles are 3 hours. Then we go down, up, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 hours just moving sideways, then go back up, go down, 3 hours. Then it's a slow pair, it's a very slow pair. So I'm gonna be stopping trading Euro SD for now, and I try to find other trades. Didn't really got the chance, and yeah, I think for this week we are done. Looks like I'm gonna be waiting for next week. I lost 2 trade this week, so it's not going good. So we're just gonna hope for next week. Guys, here's the FTMO account. I'm gonna always show you guys the account so you guys see that it's like it's authentic. Like you guys can see everything. This is my account. All right. So we are at 96,500. We're down 3.5%. We can see it. I think it's here, percentage. Yeah, 3.46%. All right. Now look at my discipline score. It's very good. That shows because of my risk to reward. Because if I went to trades, I'm back in profit. That's why my consistency score is really good. All right, you guys can see here, loss, win, loss. These two are together. Yeah. So we went into a big losing streak, I guess. 1 2 3 4 5 trades and just won 1. Yeah, that's not really good. So for the month, I'm down 2K. Now I got to phase 2 last month. We're just down like 1K. And for this month, which is May 26, we lost 2 trades, but we didn't finish the month. There's a lot of days left to we see like how I performed by the end, like the whole month, how I performed. I don't like to look at my trades this day, how I performed, or this week or these 2 weeks. I like to see like overall the month, which is what everybody cares, how much we're making a month. Like the month is positive or negative. So yeah, we have a lot of chances left for this month, and I hope that we can see some green and of course pass the account. Yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna update you guys. I think maybe in 2 days when the market close, and get my analysis for next week. Guys, so I'm gonna show you guys my analysis now. I'm not at home, I'm at my cousin's home, and forgot to edit the video. I forgot to show you guys analysis because I got so distracted by all of the people. We did a lot of things, so yeah, didn't get the time. I mean, I had the time, but I got distracted. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys right now. So I had USD CAD. I was waiting. I'm waiting for it to. Now the market already opened. It's been like 3-4 hours. I was waiting for it to break this resistance and then retrace, then go up, and it didn't happen yet. GBP and ZD, we have this here break and retest, but I mean, I don't really know if I want to open this trade because it opened here on this candle, and you know guys, when you open like the new week candle, it does really big moves. So I'm not really sure. Like right now it's kind of messy, so I'm not really sure. I mean, I could have sold here, but on this bearish candle, but yeah, I mean, it's good on the 4 hour and everything, but yeah, it's an open market, so it always does these big moves, and I'm not really sure if I want to open this trade. So I'm gonna just wait for it and gonna go on to GBP USD. Now we have resistance, support here, and I just kept this pair to really see what it would do. But I'm not gonna open. Nothing is clear here. It's consolidating, going right. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it here. Euro USD, I'm not gonna be trading this pair anymore. As you guys can see, I've lost a few trades. Now I won also trades, but this pair is very slow. So you guys can see here, like this is around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 hours of just purely going right. So this is a really slow pair, so I'm not going to be trading this pair anymore, at least for now. Euro CAD, we have this resistance. Now I'm not going to set at a resistance because I'm thinking I'm gonna stop doing that because it's not really following my strategy. My strategy is break and retest and not selling at just a resistance without a break and then a retest. So I'm not gonna be selling here. If anything, I'm gonna wait for it to break the retest to eventually buy because everything is bullish. AUD CAD on the 4 hour, we have this resistance here. It's a small trade. I don't know if it's not like a big trade. You guys can see how in 1 hour, like it got kind of messy here. The market opened, went down, and now it's kind of messy. Like you don't even know if, like, now that buyers took momentum or sell took momentum. Like it's a little messy. I'm just gonna wait. Maybe if I get a bullish candle, I'll buy. Try maybe hit this liquidity here that I've set up. Let me see on the daily. Yeah, I don't know why I set this. Oh, here. Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna wait. If anything, I'm just gonna buy, and I'm gonna wait for it to be more clear. AUD NZD, it's also kind of messy. I just wanted to see like price, what the price is gonna do. Yeah, sometimes I just like to keep, oh sorry, I'm not looking at the camera. Sometimes I just like to keep trades just to see like what the price is gonna do, so I can have an understanding of what price can do sometimes. And we have AUD USD. I was looking to buy here. Like you guys can see already, the move happened when I was analyzing. But I just want to see maybe it could retest to buy again, or maybe it could switch and then go down. I'm not really sure, but I have high hopes for, not the biggest hope, but I have high hopes for CAD JPY. Now there is this area of interest that we broke, retested. We are bearish on the 4 hour. You guys can clearly see lower low, lower high, lower low, and then now it's doing a lower high. On the daily, we also are bearish. It was bullish, and now it made a high and then a low, then a lower high, lower low, and it's gonna keep coming down. On the 1 hour we are also bearish, and there's the EMA rejection. So maybe if I have a bearish engulfing here, I could sell. Now you guys can see it's not at the area of interest, but what I sometimes do is that I have this indicator here that I use sometimes to make it in these type of situations, to make it more clear. You guys can see here, it shows me where the most volume, where there's more volume in this area that I traced. It shows me where buyers or sellers are more active. So it fit perfectly in this area where I'm waiting for the bearish engulfing, and that's gonna be my confirmation to eventually sell. And yeah, guys, this is my analysis, and we're gonna wait for tomorrow, I guess, to start recording videos and see what is gonna happen. So CAD JPY and JPP NZD, we're gonna be waiting for both of them. These are like the best chances, and yeah, I'll update you guys. I just didn't really get the time to, I mean, I had the time, but I got distracted because there's a lot of people, a lot of friends. My cousins has a lot of friends, and I just really got distracted. I forgot my laptop, so I opened TradingView on his computer, and yeah, the market looks good, but a lot of uncertainty, I guess. There's good setups, but it just the market opened on my confirmation, like on the time where I'm just waiting for confirmation. This is where the market opened, and it made my entry very it made it very like it makes it really not clear. Yeah. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.